Hello everyone, I am Gurumurthy, Max teacher, the Optimus Public School, Bhavani. Today we are going to continue chapter 2, addition. In this video, we are going to see more regrouping ones, tens, hundreds. Regrouping of tens and ones at a time. Example, Tagore House got 588 points for the race during sports day. They got 348 points for the March 1st. How many points did they get altogether? I am going to write this question in short form. Tagore House got 588 points in race. 348 points from the March 1st. How many points did they get altogether? That is our question. Dear kids, I am going to represent these two numbers in place value chart. In the place value chart, 588 plus 348. Step 1, I am going to add ones place and regroup it. 8 plus 8, it's become 16. I am going to write this 16 equal to 1 tens and 6 ones. 6 ones, 6 I am going to write in ones place. 1 tens, 1 is carryover, so I am going to write in tens place. Step 2, I am going to add tens place and regroup it. In tens place, 1 tens plus 8 tens plus 4 tens, it's become 13 tens. That means 130. From 3 tens, 3 I am going to write in answer of the tens place. From the 100, I am going to write carry over to in 100 place. Step 3, to add the 100 place. 100 plus 500 plus 300, it's become 900. So, from the 900, 9 I am going to write in answer of 100 place. Therefore, the total number of points are 588 plus 348 equal to 936. Therefore, Tagore House got 936 points in all. More regrouping, hundreds. Sometimes when you add, you need to regroup 100 tens, 10 hundred as 1000. Example, here I have 10 purple 10 squares equal to 1000. That means 10 into 100 equal to 1000. One more example, 800 plus 400 equal to 1200. That 1200 I am going to write 1000 plus 200. Example for regrouping of hundreds. Dear kids, questions. During the opening ceremony, the students marched 648 steps. They marched 875 steps during the closing ceremony. How many steps did the marching students take for both ceremonies? I am going to write these questions in short form. The number of steps in open ceremony equal to 648. The number of steps in closing ceremony equal to 875. The question is, how many steps did the marching students take for both ceremonies? That means we are going to add 648 plus 875 equal to what? Dear kids, now you are familiar with addition. I am always going to represent in place value chart. Then only it's become very easy for us, isn't it? 648 plus 875. I am going to add step by step. Step 1, add ones and regroup. 8 ones plus 5 ones, it's become 13 ones. In this 13 ones, I am going to separate 1 tens plus 3 ones. From the 3 ones, I am going to write answer part of addition. 1 I am going to write in carryover part to the tens place. Step 2, add the tens and regroup. We have already 1 carryover in tens place, so it's become 1 tens plus 4 tens plus 7 tens. That means tens plus 40 plus 70 equal to 120. This 120 I am going to write 100 plus 2 tens. From the 2 tens, 2 I am going to write in answer part of the tens place. 100, 1 I am going to write in carryover of 100 place. Step 3, finally add the 100 place and regroup it. We have 1 carryover, so it's become 100 plus 6 in 100 place, it's become 600, 8 in 100 place, it's become 800. So 100 plus 600 plus 800, it's become 1500. From the 1500, you're going to separate 1000 plus 500. From the 500, 5 I'm going to write in 100 place. 1000, 1 I'm going to write in carryover of 1000 place. So there is no extra number in thousands place. So 1 I am going to write in thousands place. Finally I got the answer 1523. That is, the students marched 1523 steps for both ceremonies. Dear kids, try yourself. Pause the video, complete. Thank you. We will see in the next video.